Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Matt. Today we're out in the woods gonna test our skills with trying to make a fire in the rain. It's been raining for about I don't know, 12-16 hours, something like that, so that is a good way to test our skills and see what we can do. We got close a few times. So we're going to try a little bit different stuff. Like I say, we're using this Boker Bushcraft Black 2. It's made with D2 steel. I was looking for a good bushcraft type knife, something that looked good. I've been using the Moras, but they don't really have any character, so for fashion, it's just mainly utility. But this looks a lot better, more of a custom looking, without spending a whole lot of money. So, but we're gonna get this going. Alright everybody, well, running out of daylight, we didn't have much time to try to do this anyway and find all the material. We only had about an hour, and seen a couple times we started to get it, but it just wouldn't hold. We need to find some better material. Everything we found was either we didn't find very much dead wood that wasn't already rotten, so we're going to have to scavenge a little bit further. But I don't know, it's something to it's not easy to admit defeat, but it's good. We'll just try it again. So what we're going to do now is use some material we brought, some fat wood and birch bark that I keep with me. So we'll do that just to get a fire going and to have fun and sit around a fire, even though it's kind of rainy out. But like I say, we're going to be using some materials that we brought with us. I guess it's just another lesson to prove that if you're going to be going out in the woods, and always bring some stuff you've already pre-prepared. Now you can use a lighter, which most of the time that's what we do, and we just go out just to have fun. But this is more or less just to test the skills that we're learning. Nobody's no expert on this, so but it's just something to have fun with. So this is some fat wood we got, and then some birch bark we collected off of a different tree before we came here. So I guess we could have rolled that in there, but we decided not to. Another thing, send me batoning some of this wood. I don't really want to do that too much. I typically don't go baton anything bigger than the handle of the knife, or maybe double that, but I don't want to abuse the knife. That's why we carry axes and everything else. So zoom back out to me. now we got a fire going. We're gonna boil up some water. One thing I've been trying out is the Life Straw filter kit. Goes on different adjustable or different threads, wide mouth and narrow mouth bottles. Won't fit on the narrow mouth Nalgene, but I've been trying this out for a while. It's pretty good. But don't forget to enter the giveaway we're doing. We got until April 1st, and then we're going to do the giveaway, so make sure you enter that. You have to like that video and be a subscriber, and then comment the word done, because we're going to choose out of the comment who wins. So, but this filter is good. I may do a separate video on it if you want. So, but we're going to let this fire die down a little bit, and then boil some water.